Welcome to Tractor Talk, a mini podcast about tractor life.
Episode 8, Hidden Costs of Old Tractors.
Howdy, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Tractor Talk. Today's topic, we're talking about old tractor problems, sometimes still current, but mostly older tractor problems and their current solutions and current features that have made these things go away. Hank, why don't you start us off? What's an old tractor problem that everybody had an issue with, but some that newer technology, newer manufacturing, newer features have made go away? Long story short.
So one that comes to mind is going to be the location of the actual fuel tank.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of the older tractors, it was literally on top of the hood.
It was the worst.
Yeah. So
how am I supposed to reach that?
yeah, getting the loaders in the way, you got to climb up there, and you're spilling it all over the place.
And $5 a gallon now too. That's not helping anything.
Not
out.
ideal. Not ideal.
We had one like that at old, maybe an old Farm Pro or an old Ford, and
Yeah.
you'd spill half of what you were pouring. It's just you look at the ground, it's like boom, $20 right there.
Yeah. And it just douses your tractor too. So with the new locations on the back of the tractor or down below the actual station.
The ones down low are nice because it's like the way you hold a jerry can, it's like perfect pouring height,
money.
you know?
So that's a small one, but it's huge.
I'd say one of mine that comes to mind would be switching from, and some tractors still have this, but going from thread adjustment on your 3-point sway links, your side links there, to pin adjustment. The side links are more precise, and I feel like on older tractors, that's what we sell more frequently. But I love being able to just pull the pin out, adjust it to the side as needed, or leave it out if you're getting the implement on immediately, and then locking it back in place.
Yeah.
Literally, the only disadvantage I can think of that whole thing is that those pins are the finger pinchingest sons of guns out there. You've had it happen.
They
like
snap,
when they snap, and when they, it's like a mousetrap. It's violent.
It's like, damn.
It's absolutely violent. It's just like, yeah, you want to cuss every single word in the book.
Yeah.
What's another one you could think of?
Another one would be the modern transmissions.
Oh, yeah.
You see on a lot of the older tractors, they have
classic gear shift.
Yeah, Jeez. Just gears everywhere down by your feet.
You can't even slide your feet back and forth.
It's hard getting on and off, and you're kicking it in and out of gear.
It takes a whole upper body workout just to get to second. I mean,
you're pushing over here,
and doing all this. It's like,
and it's all in your way too. Yeah.
Right.
Just having the modern, whether it's a shuttle shift and having it up on your column and then on your sides, or just having the hydrostat, where it's low, medium, and high.
Hydrostat's the best, man. You just easy as that.
Simple.
I think my final one I'd add to this is the exterior 3-point lever. Now, especially when I first started here, it was kind of 50-50 on cab units and open stations. But open station, you don't need it as bad because you could just reach and your 3-point raising loader is right there, or you have to just slightly sidestep around to access it.
Yeah.
But in older cab units, before they had that, you'd have to hop back in, hop back out, and go back and forth, at least a dozen times.
Like reaching over.
Just to make it slightly adjust and get where you need to get to. At some points, I feel like I would just try to muscle it and put it on, and I hurt myself because I'm trying to pick up, a 500-pound mower fresh off the bat. No stretch, no warm up, no nothing. Those exterior levers, though, I mean, the fuel tank location, the newer transmission styles, and anything in the side links, along with a multitude of other things, tractors have only become better. Convenience is the name of the game. And those things make getting the chores and the jobs at home done quicker and easier, more efficiently.
100%.
It's not a project to then begin the project.
Quick and easy.
Most definitely. Well, thank you for stopping by this episode of Tractor Talk. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back next week with a whole nother topic for you. Until then, you have an awesome day.